Welcome to Xero.style. I am your host, Xero, the cyberspace hero, here this week with a double fidget toy unboxing and reaction video. For those of you who know me, I'm the Director of Security, and it is our Triple Threat Audit Week, PCI, ISO, and SOC all at once combined, so I got no time, so this unboxing is going to be quick, but I wanted to make sure I showed you guys 2 new fidget toys that I got. You ready to check them out with me? Let's do it, shall we? What up, cyberspace? We got another unboxing this week. I got something from the Toastmaster General, and a little pre-order thing that if you're into art, you might dig. You got Natalie, our Coach Tools Nat today. Thanks, girl. In the bag, we got some goodies. Some serious goodies. Alright, we got a couple Bit-O honeys right here for that sweet sweetness. A Cards Against Humanity card. An endless stream of diarrhea. And our sack lunch. I really dig that toaster skull logo. Alright, let's check out what's in here. I literally have no idea. Alright, let me make you guys wait more. We got some Pacific Northwest Toast Company sticker action. Oh yeah, you got me, Brian. And then, looks like we got a Bit-O honey ourselves here. Here is our authenticity card. Our ingredients in this sandwich is titanium, purple hyperglow, ultim, and homemade rag. Yo. Some titanium. And some purple homemade rag. Look at that sweet texturing on that rag, dude. I love micarta. It is just the coolest stuff, man. Check out that Ultim glow through. Ultim is like the coolest stuff. It's like a synthetic amber that's been made out of plastic. I just think it's so cool, dude. And when the light hits it, it just looks awesome. Alright, it's time for the spin test. Oh yeah, this is a rad one. One of the things I love about this is this indent right here on the side. You can just give that a little bit of force just with your other finger and then hit the wrist action and you've got a perfect spin. These things are great. Put the bead on the flat side of your palm here so you get the grip on it in case you might switch hands or whatever. They're awesome. I really dig these things. Utilitarian too, I would assume. Not that I've ever tried to punch something with one of these. Alright, let's compare it to the size of my other one. Pretty similar. The thickness is a lot different on this guy. When it comes to overall footprint, it's hard to tell, especially with the lanyards. This one is slightly wider than this one is. This one is definitely thicker than this one is. And I'm going to say that this one is ever so slightly shorter. Yeah, so this new one, while thinner, is definitely a little bit bigger than this stabwood guy that I have here that's a few years old. Because it's titanium, it's definitely got some heft to it, which is nice. Welcomed. This is just sweet. Oh, and I just noticed the paracord is stretchy. Oh, wow. That's interesting, too. Huh. Cool. I don't know if I've ever seen, like, elastic paracord before. Something new every day. Pacific Northwest Toast Company's custom purple rag. For reals. Bro shit. Package from the Gray Muse. I'll be honest, I got shot an ad for this thing as a pre-order time to help fund its development, and I thought it was so cool that I got in on it. Alright, what do we got here? We got a sticker. We got a nice little mantra sticker here. I give myself permission to take the time to process, pause, or pivot when I need to. Another cardboard insert here. To know what you're going to create, you have to first begin creating. Pretty good advice. Alright, we got some nice paper in here to make sure the item doesn't get messed up. And the item itself. Alright, check this thing out. And I'm going to take it off the paper. Got some adhesive right here. I'm going to make sure I pull it from the paper side to Try and get the whole thing off the fidget. Alright, this is the color fidget. The idea here is we've got two separate but equal moving pieces here. Each of them have a window on this side. So the idea is you are able to create color palettes of analogous colors, complementary colors, lots of different styles of color math that you can pull off with this device in the form of a fidget toy. I gotta play with this thing some more. I literally unboxed it in front of you, and I'm not exactly sure how to hold it, how to read it yet, but I thought that this was a neat idea for a fidget toy. A color wheel with two different ways for you to pick color palettes. It's also got a little clip keychain on the back, and it appears the logo of the gray muse. Teeny tiny little charm that goes on here too. I put a lanyard on this thing. I've been playing with it for about 15 minutes, and what I've found is that the ring that's on the back side is way stiffer, and you kind of got to get it where you want it. And then the front ring really just free spins once you have that aligned on its own. So you pick a color with your back part of the wheel. Once again, I'm going to go with my chartreuse game. Then we're going to switch, and as you notice, you can build basically like three-part color schemes. So here we can see we've got our green that we chose, and then the blue/purple that we chose. In between each of these sections here, it'll suggest other colors that will match that triad. We got an orange and then a lighter blue in the in-between section. So if we wanted, we could switch this to the other side, turn it over here, and we'll get a secondary palette. Here's one that's more orangey red with just a touch of blue as the accent color. So yeah, it's pretty neat. It's a little bit fiddly. It's thin, there's 3 layers of metal to it, and then just like a key ring on the back side. I'm not sure if this is an Aces fidget or not, but I really enjoyed the idea of this concept. Interested to see if this artist takes this further, or if they kind of can improve upon this design to make it a little bit more fun or functional. But it's a neat little fidget toy that has some utility to it too. If you're an artist, I can definitely see this as a fidget toy that you'd really enjoy, just for the aspect of kind of sitting down and looking at color palettes and trying to decide what you think looks good and what might surprise you looking at a color wheel. So, yep, the color fidget. Just a little something new I thought I'd show off, friends. Well, that's the video this week. 2 new fidget toys that came to my mailbox. I paid for one of them. The other was gifted to me by the Toastmaster General himself, Brian. Thanks, buddy. He just sent me a message out of nowhere and was like, hey, I got something for you. And does it stack up to my design? Yes, I think it absolutely does, Brian. I really dig the way that you've got the lanyard tube with this little Ultim accent here in it. It really makes it pop. The 2 little Ultim holes in the titanium as well up here. I really like the way you've done the Ultim and the hole down here by the lanyard tube, as well as those top 2 little spots for where you've connected the whole thing together. I think that the polish is so nice. You've got these edges so smooth. And your purple rag is rad. Definitely cool, buddy. I dig it 120%. This is a new Grail rad piece. My first titanium toast. So, thanks, buddy. I appreciate you. That's the video for this week. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a like. It's the free social currency here on YouTube. If you think that Brian is cool, comment down below Toastmaster General. Alright, well, you guys have a good day, and if no one has told you today, you're a rad person who deserves love and praise just like everybody else in this world. Get out there today, be nice, have some fun, and I'll see you in the next one. Later on. Oh yeah, I got a 3rd arcade machine, did you notice?